How to deposit money in the OKX wallet. Hello everyone, it's me Vak, and in this video tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you could deposit your money into the OKX wallet. At first, you have to go to the deposit cryptocurrency by going to the assets section and selecting the deposit. There you can choose the cryptocurrency that you would like to deposit. That may be BTC, USDT, and the network. Then you can copy the deposit address or scan the QR code to send the funds from your external wallet. There now you can click on buy crypto and select buy with a card. Choose your preferred fiat currency, example EU or USD, and enter the amount that you would like to deposit and complete the payment using your credit or debit card or any other supported payment methods. Now you can deposit. The limits vary by payment method and currency, checking the current limits on the deposit base. Deposit fees may apply depending on the payment method. You can see the fees table for the detail, and deposits are usually credited instantly except for bank transfer, which can take up to 2 business days. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching our video.